Most beginners think programming is just writing code. But here's the truth. Great software is not built by coding first. It is built by thinking first. Before a single line of code is written, there is a process professionals follow, and that process is called the Software Development Life Cycle, or SDLC. In this video, I'll show you how software goes from just an idea to a fully working system. SDLC is a structured process used to design, develop, and maintain software efficiently. Instead of guessing what to build, developers follow clear stages to avoid errors, reduce costs, and deliver quality systems. Think of SDLC like building a house. You don't start by placing bricks randomly, but instead you plan, design, build, inspect, and maintain. The SDLC typically has 6 main phases: planning, requirements analysis, design, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. Let's break each one down. Phase 1, planning. Everything starts with planning. Here, we define the problem. What are we building? Why are we building it? Is it feasible? This phase includes budgeting, scheduling, and identifying risks. A bad plan leads to a bad system, no matter how good your coding skills are. Phase 2, requirements analysis. In this phase, we gather detailed requirements from users. There are 2 types of requirements. 1, functional requirements, what the systems should do. 2, non-functional requirements in terms of performance, security, usability, among others. This is where many projects fail because unclear requirements lead to wrong solutions. Phase 3, system design. Now we design the system architecture. The architecture includes the following: system structure, database design, user interface. Think of this as the blueprint of your software. No blueprint is equal to messy construction. Phase 4 is development. This is where coding finally happens. Developers write code based on the design documents. Best practices include clean code, version control like the Git, modular development. Remember, coding is just one part, not the whole process. Phase 5, testing. After the development, we test the system. Types of testing include unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. The goal is simple: find and fix errors before users do. Phase 6, deployment and maintenance. Once everything is tested, the system is deployed to users. But it doesn't end there. Maintenance includes fixing bugs, updating features, improving performance. Software is never finished, it evolves. Software development lifecycle is more than just a process. It's a way of thinking. It teaches you to plan before acting, to design before building, and to test before trusting. Because in the real world, success doesn't come from what you know. It comes from how you apply what you know. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials. This is Applied Intelligence, where intelligence is applied, not just learned.